Hi, my name is Pat Goodwin with patgoodwinassociates.com, and we're going to talk about how to make money on the side. When I hear that topic, I think about there's a reason for making extra money on the side. It could be that you are trying to pay off a student loan, or you need to make extra money to whittle down your debt. But when you're looking for making money on a side, I would certainly encourage you to think about how many hours can you actually donate to working on the side. Is it weekend work? Is it evening work? Is it early shift work? And how many hours can you afford to be away from your family? So let's look at, you want to make sure that you are alert and confident in the job that you have in your day job or night job. So as you select a job by making money on the side, what types of jobs might there be for you? There could be everything from assistant librarian in a library on weekends to cleaning homes, to pet sitting, to helping the elderly, and being a caregiver and sitting with someone who needed some extra care in their home, to actually being a security guard, to being a substitute teacher, maybe in the summer when you're, if you are a teacher, to be a tutor. I've known people who've made great work by being a tutor. You may have a keen mathematical skill, but you're not working typically in your field of work. There are a lot of students who are honor students who want a math tutor to help them excel in their particular subject. You may be fluent in Spanish, and you could teach Spanish. You could go to Sylvan Learning Center and look for making extra money on the side by being a tutor there. So just get creative. Go to the website and look at extra jobs, home-based jobs. As you drive through communities and you look at different buildings, they may have a sign posted for extra help needed. It could be seasonal work, where you're working seasonally during the holidays in retail. There are wonderful stores that open up just seasonally, like the calendar stores, where you could work there. And there could be people on extended vacations where you could actually house sit and be paid quite handsomely to be there and to take care of their home. So you want to present yourself as someone who's highly responsible, on time, with a high degree of integrity and trust, and then as you present yourself for that making extra income on the side, they're going to know more than likely that you're making a full-time income and why are you looking for a job. You could keep the reasons maybe professionally, you just need to make some extra money to pay off some bills. So I hope that helps you think about how can you make some extra money on the side.